Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 485 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin's price seems relatively stable around $19,000. NetCents is developing an NFT platform, and Spotify is advertising a job with crypto duties. But just before we jump into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So Bitcoin has remained fairly stable since the last episode of Crypto Corner, only varying slightly around a trading price of $19,000 with minor fluctuations from around $18,900 to about $19,400, according to data from CoinMarketCap. A report from Bloomberg foresees continued growth in 2021 and a support level of $10,000 even if mass sell-offs occur. Quote, Bitcoin will maintain its propensity to advance in price into 2021, in our view, with macroeconomic, technical, and demand versus supply indicators supportive of $50,000 target resistance, implying about a $1 trillion market cap, end quote. Another excerpt emphasizes this year's establishment of $10,000 as a key support level moving forward. Quote, the year 2020 will likely be looked back upon as a key to Bitcoin's mainstream evolution, in our view. Strong inflows in regulated exchange-traded products, futures open interest, addresses used, and allocations from corporate treasuries and some billionaires solidify the 2020 annual price of about $10,000 as foundation support, end quote. NetCents Technology Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol NC, is developing a smart contract-based non-fungible token, or NFT, platform for use by its merchants and ultimately its user base to allow authenticity and provenance tracking of products using Ethereum smart contract technology. Clayton Moore, the founder and CEO of NetCents, explained, quote, we have spent 2019 building our technology and 2020 deploying it. We have proven that we can make completing a transaction using crypto as seamless as using a debit card. Our future vision for 2021 and beyond includes creating products that make crypto the preferred solution. It adds and enhances the value of a transaction that traditional payment methods cannot replicate. That is where we're going, and we are thrilled to be leading this new future. End quote. Music streaming giant Spotify, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol SPOT or SPOT, has posted a job listing for Associate Director, Payment Strategy and Innovation, which, among other duties, requires playing a key part in defining and implementing Spotify's payment strategy, as well as leading Spotify's activity within the Libra stablecoin project and wider digital asset and cryptocurrency space. Libra, now known as Diem, is again the digital currency project from Facebook, which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol FB. An excerpt from the duties outlined in the job listing reads, quote, you will drive further consideration of new opportunities and innovation in the emerging ecosystem of distributed ledger technology, blockchains, cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, central bank digital currencies or CBDCs, and other digital assets. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.